This guy here, I hadn't seen him for a while. I was starting to worry. Hey! I was starting to worry. Oh, he's not happy with me today. And we're going to go straight to the right here, and then that'll take us right into Laguna. It's quite a big difference between the very rustic nature of Bangtao with a very resorty, high-end kind of feel of Laguna. And it's part of the reason why I think this location is quite unique. So that's the Outrigger Hotel right behind me here. This is pretty much the beginning of Laguna area. So the little building that's got the painting on it is sort of where I think of really rustic Bangtao. As soon as you get past that building, you're entering the nicer hotels. Most of the hotels here are like 5-star. Good family hotels. Some of them are pretty fancy, but I'd say most of them are family focused. You can get a hotel here for somewhere between maybe $100 and up. During high season it'll be more expensive, but if you are here with the family, this is a good option. And you've got really good access to the beach here, which you can see right now. Looks like I have pretty much the whole beach to myself. I see just a couple of people, and that's about 7 kilometers of beach, and it's basically empty right now. This hotel right here is the Dusit Thani, another 5-star hotel. More right in the center of Laguna here now. This is actually the one that is really close to Canal Village, which I'm going to show you. So if you're at Canal Village, Dusit Thani is just right next door. This one here, it's actually a pretty nice hotel. It's a bit older, but they've renovated it, and the prices can be okay sometimes. Sometimes they offer some really good packages. I know last year for about $70 you could get a room here during the off season, which is not bad at all. And they have a good restaurant in there. There's a, sorry, I forget the name of it, but there's an Italian restaurant. And on Saturday nights, they have a good buffet there with all you can drink Italian wine, so it's not bad. I'm just at the end of Dusit Thani here, and just to show you this path right here, if you were to follow it, you can take it back up through the Laguna area. So it's one way you can get off the beach. A nice little view of the Laguna area here. Not sure what a Laguna Sanctuary Club member is, but it doesn't look like they're too full right now, so maybe I can go in. This little restaurant here, Gung, if you're staying in Laguna and you want something that's a bit cheaper and a little bit more local, this is a nice little restaurant. I'm not sure when they're going to open again. They do have some beers you can get on the beach and stuff, and I think they're about 70 baht for a San Miguel Light here, which is 100 just up the road there. So if you like San Miguel Light, that's not too bad. I'm just down in front of the Angsana here, which is a beach club, which is pretty nice. And then down behind it you've got Angsana Hotel, which is a nice family friendly hotel. Great pool. This place here is, when they're up and running, at least before all the lockdown, there's a little pool back there, and they sell cocktails for 99 baht, which is a great little deal, and you get to look from the pool straight to the beach, and it's a beautiful location to watch a sunset. I'm just at the Movenpick here, which is where I'm gonna get off the beach. So that's a nice place, expensive. You know, those are large villas that you'd probably rent if you were coming with a family maybe. One of the things I love about Thailand is how you can have this, which is the Movenpick, right beside this, which was like a little simple home with chickens right on the beach. Alright, so we're just gonna go from there straight up through there, and that'll take us right into Laguna, and straight down there takes you straight down to Dream Beach and the national park. There's the main entrance to the banyan tree, so that's a place you'd go if you really want to live nice and fancy. Probably a good place if you're on your honeymoon. So here you have the Laguna golf course, which is quite nice. I think it's quite famous in Thailand. It's one of the better golf courses. These little condos here, there's quite a few of them, are called the Allamanda. These are a good option if you're coming to Phuket and perhaps you're with your family and maybe you're staying for a longer period of time. They're a little bit more like an apartment style than they are resort style. So But that being said, you're still in Laguna, and Laguna does have a free shuttle which goes through and connects from hotel to hotel. So a friend of mine was staying here last year at the Allamanda, and then he just snuck over across the road to the Angsana hotel and used the pool there. Alright, so we just walked down from here, and if you keep going straight that way, you can head further into the little park in Laguna. You can also walk around and get over to Boat Avenue, which has some restaurants and shopping. But we're gonna cut down right here, and I'll show you Canal Village, and then we'll head back down to the beach, and then we'll walk home from there. Alright, this is Canal Village we're at here. A few little shops and restaurants. I think mostly geared towards tourists. Not even sure if it's open right now because of the lack of tourism here. But it's a place to visit if you're in Laguna. You know, there's a family mart up here, so if you need to get a few things, you can always go to the family mart. Check out the restaurants, support the local businesses. I mean, generally I would say these places are overpriced, but any business that comes back to life is going to need your support, because a lot of these businesses have been struggling. That completes our tour of Laguna today. So you've pretty much seen the walk that I like to do when I can. Sometimes I just walk along the beach, but if I can, I'll walk through Laguna as well. It's a nice area. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like these kinds of videos, please subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you like and what you want to see. I'm going to record some videos. I've got a few weeks left in Phuket, and then I'm up to Bangkok after that.